Hello, well, welcome to another week and part 4 of the brew build. So, we're moving inside. Yes, so starting with the electrics inside. This is going to be fun. Right, in the end, I did win and buy some. That's less than half of it, and I'm only going to probably use let me see, that much. Yeah, fortunately I can get it, I've got it at a good price, as I work in electrical wholesalers, as you do. So I got it at a good price. Say no more than that. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to cut some of that, mount it on the back plate, and start positioning stuff inside. Ooh. Yes. Inside. Yes. I'm going to need to get a thinking cap on for this one. But anyway. So I've got me 2 contactors to make room for, which are in the old panel. I've got 2 new RCBOs to go in. I've got the 2 new DIN rail bus bars that I can use. That'll click onto the DIN rail nice and tidy. I might just enter them on 2 separate little ones on their own just to keep them apart. It's not causing any problem in there, but I'll have a look. Not sure. I need to sit down and work this out. So, in we go. Well, moving on a bit. As you can see, I've drilled and mounted the DIN rail to the backing plate, which is, as you can see, removable at the moment. I have the 2 RCBOs sitting on the DIN rail. The 2 contactors that I have in the old board will then sit here. So we're going to have the wire coming in the bottom here, come to the live and neutral bus bars that will be here. We'll go up over the top into the contactor. So yeah, I'm going to have neutral live bus bar here, neutral bus bar there. Earth bus bar, probably like on the other panel, get mounted onto the side here, and earth to the box, and the box line earth from here to the door to make it super safe. So okay, right. We're going to come in here with the live cable. We'll have a live bus bar here. We'll have a neutral bus bar here. We'll go up, backing plate, up over the DIN rail, across into the top of the contactors, which will then, for the 40 amp, come out and cross and into the bottom of the RCBOs, and the other contactor will come out, go into the top of each, and the bus bars here, and then we'll feed down to the power supplies, which will be 1 for each pump, and then a third one to run the 12 volts of the 2 SSRs, and yes, that's it, just the 12 volts of the SSRs. Okay. Some of the power feed will come up onto the panel door for the controls. So obviously we're going to have stop, on and light. Back of the voltmeter, time clock, and then PLC elements and everything. So it's going to be a bit of a mess to start with, but I will sit down and work out all the route the cables, draw it in pencil so I can work out the paths, because I have some cable tie sticky bases, just one or two, which I can stick down onto the faceplate, put a cable tie through it. I don't know if you can see that. Open this one-handed, and the bag is sealed. Lovely. Anyway, yeah, seal on this edge. There you go. You can see there's a space on the cable tie base. Just loop a cable tie through, and then we can feed the wires through the cable ties. Once we get everything done, we can just gently nip them up. We don't want them tight, they're only just to hold it in position. So we are getting there. I think it's getting to the stage now we're going to have to start rubbing parts. There's a brew I want to do, because I've had the kit a while now. It's a rugging kit from Homebrew Company. I've had it a bit too long. I need to get that brewed first, and then I'll start rubbing stuff from here to go on here. So we are getting there. I'll catch you in a bit when I started rubbing some parts.